Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Milestone credit card account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Milestone credit card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in milestone.myfinanceservice.com like this and hit enter. And after hitting enter, you'll be redirected to the home page of Milestone MasterCard accounts. And now to log into your Milestone credit card account, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Milestone credit card account from over here. Or if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can set the forgot your username or password option available over here. Click over there to go through a procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet created an account on Milestone, simply click on register your account to go through a procedure to sign up for Milestone credit cards. There guys, this is how you log into your Milestone credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.